Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Cyber Learn Safely. Previous video I will discuss about footprinting theoretical concept. In this video I will show a tool or a website you can gather information about a website URL find subdomain. So let's start. This is the target website my first of all copy this URL, open Netcraft. Here is the website, go to resources and then research tool, click on site report. Here is the web page. Attacker find information about the website like subdomain, domain or OS. Paste here the target website URL and click on lookup. Here is the report. Site is this, hosting country US, domain here. You can more information about the domain, click on the domain. Netcraft will search hostname matching of the domain and also find the OS. Here is the all result. The total 12 result find Netcraft matching subdomain and according to OS. I think all of you understand how to use Netcraft tool for finding domain, subdomain, OS or many more information about the target machine. In this tool helps for footprinting stage. Thanks for watching this video.